Can you get a tension answer and get 10 whopping points? Hi, I'm James and welcome to a tension trivia quiz. One question with many possible answers, and what I want you to do is find the answer closest to the 10th best answer. That is your tension answer and will get you 10 whopping points. If you get between answers 1 and 9, you're in the points. You'll get more points the closer you are to number 10. However, if you go over the 10th best answer, i.e. the tension answer, you will get -3 points. It's classic risk versus reward. Let's see what today's prompt is. Today, it's a geography question. I want you to tell me the world's smallest countries by population, and this is sourced from Worldometer. Right, have you got an answer? Let's get on with it then. So number 1, and getting you 1 point, the smallest country in the world by population is of course the Vatican City. It has 496 people. Bit of a jump, just under 10,000 people in your second best answer, which gets you 2 points, Tuvalu. Number 3, just under 12,000 people live in Nauru, which gets you 3 points. Bit of a jump, just over 17,500 people live in Palau, which gets you 4 points. There are quite a few islands on this list. However, not at number 5, getting you 5 points, and with just over 33,500 people, it's San Marino. Number 6, with 37,500 people, we're back to Oceania. It is the Marshall Islands. Has your answer been said yet, or are you still waiting for it? Here's where the tension comes in. Number 7, 38,500 people live in Monaco, gets you 7 points. Sticking in Europe for number 8, just under 40,000 people live in Liechtenstein. Number 9, and we're getting to the business end now. 46,000 people live in the Caribbean islands of St. Kitts and Nevis, gets you 9 points. But your tension answer and getting you 10 whopping points, 66,000 people live on the Caribbean island of Dominica. Well done if you got any of those answers from 1 to 10, particularly if you got the tension answer. But if you haven't had your answer said so far, unfortunately, it's not good news. However, there will be people who are screaming out to understand where their answer has placed. So I'm going to give you the answers from 11 to 15 to make sure that you feel that little bit worse about yourself. You are welcome. So in 11th, just under 82,000 people live in Andorra. Antigua and Barbuda, 93,700. St. Vincent and the Grenadines, just over 100,000 people. Tonga, 104,000. And Grenada, 117,000. So how did you get on? Let me know in the comments, tag your friends and challenge them. Let's see if we can get this video to the population equivalent of the population of Dominica. Follow for more and have yourself a wonderful day.